It's so cute. Ah, so make it look nice. Good. And I got my daughter birthday gift.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to KeneishaSays. Welcome back to another video. So today, as you can see, I'm doing another haul. But this time I'm actually doing an Amazon haul. So it's like I don't want to say like a spontaneous type shopping, but my daughter's birthday is coming up. She will be 4 on the 16th of October, so send up some love for her. And then we normally have we normally do like we're all dressed up in Christmas pajamas on Christmas Day. So we normally get the pajama them early before they're all sold out for Christmas. You know what I mean? Because you know that by the time there, everybody will look for get pajama and something. So good. So I went ahead and I made some purchases and those were included. So we're gonna go ahead and actually open them up today. So the first box that we're opening, and this time we'll actually try and give some prices. So let's hope the invoice is in there. If not, then I will actually you know, put them inside the information here. Okay, so this is the first box. They're only 2 boxes. So the first thing, let's see if there's any invoice in here. There are no invoices, so I will actually look up the information and I will put the prices for them because the information is on my phone. I'm using my phone to record, so I cannot give you the prices off the top of my head right now. But this is a travel router. My son TJ is actually in college, as we all know, and he is a game head. So I'm actually having issues or lagging with the game, and he's getting frustrated, and that's his thing to go to you know, his stress reliever. So he asked for this, so I bought this for him. As I said before, Tavania's birthday is coming up, so I got her tiara that says number 4, and then a little banner, you know, they call that something there with number 4 on it. Finally, some research, and I got some vitamin C for the kids. So this is Airborne Immune Support Supplement for kids, vitamin C. These are the pajamas. So again, 5 a week. So this one, what size is this? This is like for Tristan on. So we're going blue theme this year. So this is it. Like it? Merry Christmas! It's so cute. The material is so thick. I love this. And then the bottom, I like the pants that actually the pajama that actually has the, what do you call it, the elastic at the bottom. I look more like a jogger than actually the big foot. So this is for Tristan. This is the pants. The material feels so thick and nice. Alright, this one is mine. This is medium. Not look bad. So this one is mine. So I'm not going to take them all out, guys, because pretty much they're all the same. I got me a new case for my my MacBook. So let's open this up and see. Guys, yeah, pink is my favorite color. Pink, purple, yellow, light blue. But you can't go wrong with pink. Pink first. So this is how it's looking. A little bit of glitter. And it has a keypad as well with it. This is cute. I love this. How about this now? This Tavania one coming up. This is Tavania's. Like a Tavania one. It's almost representing now. I'm making no come and I see and plastic them like them just. What is that? It's a return. It's so cute. Ah! So I'm making no come and I see them bag. I'm gonna wrap it up in this. You like when something return? Look here, Amazon. Don't play with me, you know. And then this one, I don't know, maybe try. One of a try and one of a just that. One of a try and one of a TJ. So same thing that I'm not gonna come out. And I got my daughter birthday gift, one of. This is the Crayola Inspiration Art Case. So to fuel your imagination, 140 pieces, because I told you guys that she likes to color, she likes to draw. So it has a little handle here. It's like a whole, like a briefcase situation. She's gonna be so excited. So she can carry things and go everywhere she wants to go. That's her birthday, so I'm gonna hide that. So for the second box, okay. She says, open. Okay, finally. And then the first thing that pops up is my daughter's second gift. Now she loves this whole makeup thing. Every time I put out any kind of makeup, she wants makeup too. So this is a DIY makeup set. Meet the Princess 3-year-old. And let's see, I don't really want to open it yet, you know. But it's supposed to look like this. Look, you see it? It looks small, but it's supposed to look like that. It's supposed to have in. It says it's material safety, children play with peace of mind, washable and easy to clean up. So it actually stuff where you can put on your body. So it actually real like lipstick and stuff, because I'm so washable, so I'm thinking that there are things that they will actually come off. She has a makeup type thing, but it's like the falls one where like imagine you have to use imagination. But this one, I wanted something that you can actually see, because she wants to know. So that's her second gift. This is her next pajama. This is actually her birthday suit. So this year I'm not really doing like a birthday party for her or anything. I'm just gonna be having her cut her cake and stuff, and then Kara go Chuck E. Cheese. You know, go play and stuff. So this is her little dress, her little skirt, a little tutu type thing. So cute. I like that. And then her top. Birthday princess. She's gonna have this on. She have on her tights. She have on her what do you call it? Our boots, because up here it get cold. It's now fall right now. It's 44 degrees or 40. Yeah, and I thought it's outside right now, so it's cold. So by her birthday coming, go let's say of course. She have on her jacket and stuff, her little tiara and stuff, and she don't look cute and ready to go. So that's my baby's outfit for her birthday. And she's also Miss Pinky Girl. I cannot tell her not Pink Girl. So when you ask her what's her favorite color, she's gonna tell you pink. For anybody who actually saw her room, you'll see it's all pink. Alright. This is the regular probiotic. This is cultural for kids. This is very good. They really like this. Like chewable tablets. This is from what time I tried to find some vitamins, some probiotic, and I couldn't find it. Well, this is it. Alright, I know I found it on Amazon, so I put a subscription, so they come like every month now. Alright, so this is the Bio 360 probiotic, very good. It has for your whole body health and vaginal balance. So it's good, it's very good. And printer, company printer for me. Ink for printer downstairs. So this is the Epson 802. I didn't take the one with the black because I already have like a lot of black ink. so I only wanted the regular color. And this is very expensive. Like, I don't know what makes Epson inks are expensive. By the way, this is also on subscription. It comes every month. This comes every 3 months. The subscription as well as Amazon. This is Pedialyte. This you know, at a certain age the kids them kind of hard one every second, so this kind of just help them to continue softness tool and coat. So this is taken every day from, this is especially for Tavania. She sent us up by anymore. Alright, so one more thing. One more box remaining. So these are containers for my pantry, for my rice and for all those good stuff, and labels with a pen. That's good. And it's supposed to come like this. So let's see. So this is supposed to be I think 25. Oh Jesus. These are all different lids and stuff. Let me show you that box. So this is inside. These are all the lids. We have container, different size containers. Okay, so you have the big ones then. Rice, so I thought they were gonna be a bit bigger. May have to get another set. This also comes with the scoops for it. And that's basically it. That's all I have for today. So I hope you enjoy this short, very short but sweet haul, Amazon haul. If you haven't already, like, share and subscribe, go ahead and do so. And until later, guys. Bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.